Hi everyone, Missy B London here. First voiceover video for the new year. Just showing you in the camera Flora Curl hair mist that I'm going to use in my hair, and Asiam Jamaica Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I was halfway through refreshing my hair and giving my hair moisture again because I've not really been regular doing it, and I thought I'm on the last plait. Let me just show you what I do and how I refresh my hair in between wash days. So this is what I'm doing. I spritz my hair with the hair mist first of all to lubricate it, to make it easier to detangle and all that good stuff. Spritz it more because the hair just needs that moisture, because like I said, I've not been refreshing my hair and giving my hair moisture in between wash days. So let me just do this to make it easier to detangle. I detangle with my fingers first of all, as you can see. Gently does it, even though it might look fast because I sped this video up a little bit. Shrinkage kicking in, but that shrinkage is a good sign that my hair is healthy. And as you can see, I'm combing with my wide tooth comb and it just glides through. Literally, because my hair was dry. If my hair was dry doing this would be hard work, literally. But yes, now I'm using the Asiam Jamaica Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I don't use oils in my hair in between wash days too much. Most of them I just use a water-based spray and a leave-in conditioner. That's what I do. Ingredients in the hair mist from Flora Curl includes rose water, distilled water. You know I like my distilled water. Honey, vitamin B, aloe vera powder, and jasmine oil. Some of the ingredients in the Asiam Jamaica Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner includes Jamaica Black Castor Oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and I've noticed that this leave-in conditioner is thicker than the other two leave-in conditioners by Asiam, which is the Core Collection one and the Long and Luxe one. So each one are different in their own ways in the Asiam collection. And as you can see, I've finished moisturizing my hair and detangling my hair, and I'm just replaiting it. That's what I'm doing, replaiting it. And I twist the ends because I hate when it comes to unraveling and you're struggling at the end to unravel it. So I twist it to make life easier, and the curls come out better at the end by doing that as well. This is a quick video, just show you what I do. Simple things. I do things easily, literally. Why make things hard when it's easy to do? That is what I do. I'm gonna wash my hair in a couple of days now anyway, so just want to share this. Hope it was useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.